Yeah. So my name's Taeyeon, and I'm the co-president of Voice of Calling. And our organization's mission is clear. It's to provide computer science education to students across the entire world. Together, we envision a future where every young mind has access to the invaluable knowledge uh, of computer science, unlocking opportunities for personal growth. Together, we have made so much incredible progress on our journey towards this mission. Today, we accomplished a significant milestone in our efforts: the successful organization of our very first event, Hackathon SHOWDOWN 2023, held in Tanzania. Of course, there were some obstacles during the process, but in the end, we were able to finish strong thanks to everyone's dedicated support, and we too learned a lot from this experience. This competition evolved from our Future of Tanzania project, where volunteers have taught students at Ilboro High School an in-depth Python curriculum for 3 sessions now. It has been so rewarding being able to witness the overwhelming response and the positive impact this event has had on the talents of Tanzania. Hackathon Showdown 2023 was not just a coding competition. It was a powerful testament to the transformative power of education. For the first time in Tanzania, aspiring students had the opportunity to showcase their coding skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. We are grateful to all coordinators, event directors, teachers, volunteers, and participants who wholeheartedly supported this initiative. Your dedication and passion have paved the way for a brighter future for these students. As we celebrate this achievement, we must also acknowledge that there are many regions across the globe where access to computer science education still remains scarce. However, I assure you that Voice of Calling is still committed to being a beacon of change. Our mission extends far beyond this first event. It is a commitment to spreading computer science education in areas where it is desperately needed. We will persistently strive to continue creating opportunities for eager minds to learn, grow, and achieve their dreams. Thank you all for being part of our remarkable journey, and I look forward to your continued support as we move forward with renewed determination and passion. Together, we can create a world where every voice is heard. Thank you.